Production.
Yo, what is poppin', squad? So we're gonna get into the last of the 5 altcoins that could have a potential 2 to 5x opportunity in 2023, right? So here we have Polygon, all right? And a few things I really like about Polygon. Despite all of the FTX collapse and like the industry contagion of fear, right? Everyone's scared shitless of crypto right now. Nobody wants to touch it. Despite all of what's happened in the past 6 to 12 months, we have developed a strong base here off of the lows from around 70 to, we'll say, 98 cents, okay? So in this base, after we mark this low, we've created a strong accumulation area, all right? So what is important about this area? Well, we've clearly got the breakout. The breakout has happened on the weekly time frame, and I keep mentioning the weekly time frame in these past 5 videos. Why I think it's so important is because it takes such a long period of time and money to develop a weekly pattern in comparison to maybe a 1 hour time frame or a 2 hour time frame, right? So it's a greater signal to use when you're looking at the weekly chart when you see patterns, because it's taken so much more money to develop. So what we have here, right? It's 73 cents to 98 cents zone, right? We broke out of it. Something that's important to point out, the 8 EMA and 21 EMA, we've had the bullish cross, okay? The bullish cross occurs here. So this could potentially be hinting that we're going to get that big move to the upside. Sorry, if you can't see the cross, it happened here. All this is hinting towards is that the demand is picking up in the stock or this crypto coin, right? So it's important. You want to see this. You want to see this in strong names because it always happens near the bottom of these trends, right? So I find it interesting how we're in a massive accumulation period of time. We're starting to see these patterns develop. It could be hinting to us that there's a potential altcoin bull run that could be happening, right? So another few things that I really like about Matic or Polygon from a technical perspective, right? We're right now at a major resistance right here around, we'll say it's $1.22, okay? So we'll mark this as our resistance zone. It was once our support. Previous support turns into resistance. Previous resistance will eventually turn into support if the demand can stay high, right? So this is what we want to point out. We have a potential ascending triangle happening here, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 major touches of this bottom trend line, and we're creating higher lows into this resistance level at 122. So what we want to see happen is potentially in the coming weeks, we might see a period of time where we stall sideways. And in this period of time, we want to see that base develop, potentially creating another higher low, which would confirm this major trend that's happening, which is the ascending triangle. And the ascending triangle is a major pattern to pay attention to because it always indicates increase in price. So if all the market sentiment aligns with the technicals, aligns with the fundamentals, we could see Polygon really get a boost in price here. And I think that gathering a positional trade here or a swing trade here for the next few weeks and months could pay off dividends, right? So where do we want to see this higher low come down to? Well, we've mentioned this accumulation box here, right? We could need to potentially come right back into that $1 zone and create that higher low in this range, something like this. And if that happens, I'd be more than glad to gather some more Matic here at like around $1, because there is a potential 2x opportunity here. The highest we've been here is 270. If things get crazy with this crypto bull run, you never know where things can go. So that right there is the breakdown of Polygon. Peace.